you guys want to see how I get this glowy, bronzy, fresh makeup look for summer, then just keep watching. So I'm going to be using my Neutrogena A Shield face lotion sunscreen, and this has broad spectrum SPF 70. You guys know I'm a nut job when it comes to freaking sunscreen. Now, to get glowing skin, you also need to be putting on your moisturizer. So this is my IT Confidence in a Cream moisturizer, and I'm like bringing this all the way down on my neck. I laid out today, guys, so I'm super dry. I always get super dry when I lay on the sun, which made sense because you get really dehydrated. So I'm gonna just try to bring that back in. So now to my new favorite foundation. This is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. Did they make a longer name for this freaking foundation? But if you guys want your skin to glow, this stuff is freaking amazing. And the fair shade is like my tan shade, because my face really doesn't get tanner than, well, it will get tanner than this probably, but I really try to not get super tan on my face during the summer, just because, again, I'm like super scared of the sun. You guys don't even know. And I know people like lay out all the time and nothing happens, but girl, I'm just nervous, and honestly, I'd rather be super white than get premature wrinkles. What? Also, I found a new place to film in my apartment. It's called In Front of My Closet Door. Yes, because I swear everywhere else it's like either bad lighting or it's just like showing my kitchen in the background. Like, girl, we do not want to see that in a video. Now I'm gonna be super dramatic with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, because this is also very light. If you use Shape Tape, I think that one's like a little bit thicker, so I like using this one in the summer. So I'm gonna do like that triangle V that you guys always see people do, and I'm gonna do that on my under eyes just to really brighten them up, because my under eyes are so bad today. So I'm just gonna be beauty blending this into my skin. And obviously, you do not have to use this much concealer. I just have really bad under eyes today. And again, this product is super light. Okay, now you do not want your makeup to melt off in the summer. So even though you want it to look glowy? I said gluey. Even though you want your makeup to look glowy, you don't want it melting off. And if you have super dry skin, you don't have to do this. But for me, if I don't put like powder or something over my foundation and concealer, I will crease like crazy and half my makeup will be gone by the end of the day. So I actually got this in Ipsy Bots. It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay, like their translucent powder. So I'm gonna use that to set my makeup. So for brows, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm kind of going to like roughly brush out my brows, because I want my eyebrows to be super natural. Now I'm going to just like try to mess up my brows a little bit, and you guys are probably like, well, Emily, I just watched your brow routine, and we're going to be doing a little something different today, more for like a summery look. So just keep watching. We're going to be like kind of like messing up the brow hair just a tad, because like we want kind of like that messy brow look. And I'm just gonna be following like the messiness that I created in the brow, if that makes sense. I really hope it does. So I feel like that new look now is to just like have like really sort of like messy, like undone, like thicker brows. So that's kind of what I'm trying to create. So I'm just doing this with my pencil, and I'm just trying to do like really like not uneven strokes, but like little strokes, like following the hair, just trying to make it like look not super structured, just like super natural. And then I'm going to be taking my Anastasia brow gel and using this to further create that messy illusion. So I'm going to sort of like swipe up with this. Now to prime the eyes, I'm just going to be putting a little bit of that Maybelline Fit Me on my eyes, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Guys, my hair looks like a lion today. I don't even know what happened, but there's so much humidity here. I laid out of the pool and then I took a shower, and I was like, okay, maybe that'll calm my hair down. But literally nothing calmed my hair down. I don't know what to do with it at this point, but I'm just gonna leave it curly and see how that goes. Yeah. I take my MAC 217 brush and I'm going to spritz it with some Fits Plus. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to be using this pink shade right here because I've been loving pink for summer and just like rosy tones. Guys, when you spritz these shadows with Fits Plus, holy crap. Guys, see how pigmented that is? And just like how just glowing it is. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm gonna go into like a crease brush and I'm going to be popping this yellow shade right here. Yeah, this yellow shade right here, just into the crease. And I'm just gonna take my ring finger and go into the first like white shade right there, and I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. And I'm just gonna go back and blend more of that yellow shade just to make sure that we didn't get rid of our crease color. And as you can probably tell, our crease color is really natural because we just want this look to look as natural, just like bronzy and glowy. So that's what we're gonna be doing. And I'm gonna take a, what am I gonna take? I'm gonna take a pencil brush and put that yellow shade at the bottom of my lid. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, and guys, I've been loving curling my lashes lately. I know like this is a normal thing for people to do, but I never used to curl my lashes for real. I used to think that it was like such a load of crap. Like I didn't think it really made that much of a difference. I was such an idiot. Why did I think that? Because these actually make my eyelashes look way longer and just bigger. So I'm gonna curl the crap out of them. So my lashes are super curled now. And so I'm gonna go into my favorite mascara of all time. I literally will never change. L'Oreal Voluminous Original, the OG. And I don't get waterproof mascara, but you could obviously get this in waterproof. I just hate scrubbing at my eyes. Did you guys watch my sister tag with my sisters? I already miss them so much. For real, what the heck? Don't know what you done till it's done. And I'm applying 2 coats of this mascara. And a coat at the bottom lashes as well. Just a little bit. I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay bronzer. Is there a specific shade? Park Avenue Princess. I've been using this for forever, guys. Ooh, ooh, some of it just dropped on the floor. Wow. And I'm gonna start really high. Guys, I watched my everyday, no, what was it? I think it was like my everyday summer makeup tutorial from last year, and I put my bronzer like so low on my cheekbones, and I'm like, oh, Emily, you have to put it high. So make sure you go really high in your cheekbones, because you do not want to be looking like last year Emily. I mean, the makeup wasn't bad, it was just like the bronzer freaking killed me. And I love this bronzer because it's not super matte, but it's not like sparkly either. It just has like a little sheen to it. And now I'm gonna use the same blush that I use in every single video, and it's the Tarte Feisty blush. I love this freaking blush. Actually, no, I used to use the Peaches one. Now it's this one, that's my favorite. And I'm using it on the same exact brush that I use my bronzer, and I'm only putting it like towards the back. I'm not really hitting the apples of my cheeks, just because I want it to be like still looking really bronzy, you know? So I don't want to just hit the, I don't really want to hit the apples. I want to like keep it towards the ear, if that made sense. I never know. Now for the glow. So I've been contemplating which glow I want to use today, and I think I'm gonna be using Star and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. Star is this one right here. I'm just gonna do a little bit of Fits Plus on this brush because sometimes when I wet my highlight, it takes off like half my makeup. But we're gonna load this brush up and hope this works. Ooh, I like that. Yes, we do. Okay, I'm just gonna wet it a little bit more just for the next side, but that's that side. Guys, I get super nervous, I swear, when I wet highlighters. Not all highlighters work wet. Just remember that. Anastasia's do though. She meets them pretty amazingly. Like, whoa, girlfriend. And I like this highlighter because it has like a little like blue tint. I don't know, but it's not like so blue because there is one in the palette that's like super blue. And now I don't want to put like a blue tinted highlighter on my lips, so I'm going to use my Becca and Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette, and I'm just going to use the first shade and apply that to my upper lip, and then mix it a little with the champagne shade. And I'm just going to apply it a little bit on my nose, just on the tip of my nose, like that, and then I'm going to take that brush and I'm gonna do my collarbones because I don't always do this, but in the summer it's just nice. So I'm using, again, the Champagne Pop one, and I'm just gonna be using it right on my collarbone. Like that, whoa. And a little bit on my shoulders. And I am wearing a little dress. I don't even know if I showed you guys that I was wearing something. Whatever, it's fine. I'm just gonna use this Knits crayon in Rose and just line my lip with this. It's just a pinky shade. I feel like I want to do a pink. I don't know why. I've been so into pink lately, guys. That's what I'm saying. Like, even my like eyeshadow, I really wanted to do like a pinky shade. I'm gonna be using my favorite MAC pink lipstick, and this is in Love Worn. I love this shade. Okay, dots, calm it down. I totally forgot to finish this off. I'm gonna spray my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray because I love this stuff. Okay guys, so that's it for this natural glowy makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love doing natural makeup, if you guys couldn't tell, but especially for summer because, yeah, you just don't want a ton of makeup on your face and you just want to look really healthy and glowy. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you guys are new, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I will really appreciate it if you would, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Okay, bye guys. Bye guys. I'm always so awkward in the bye guys.